gone out on the Dodge Charger pace car. Campbell Chrysler Jeep Dodge of Centralia Field will see the green flag next time they come out of turn number 4 as they start to wind it up. Green flag flies and we are underway. Lap dash for the fire ball Bumblebees. Contact right on the band as they go into turn number 1. Richard Overson out to the early lead as they get to the chicane. 3 wide coming to the chicane. LeBaire hard on the brakes to get out of the middle of that 3 wide situation. Overton now starting to separate himself. Ron Schlunt Sr. is on the move coming out of turn number 4. Last one leader is Overton. Overton, Sr. Now Craig Schlunt has moved up into the 3rd spot. As the field now about to get single file except for the 2 cars in the very back running side by side. There's Andy Gerber and Zach Morris. Side by side now. Take the 5th spot. Ron Schultz Sr. now within a car length of Wolverton. But Wolverton able to get through the chicane a little bit better than Schultz Sr. Pull out to the side of the lead. On the 4th. Halfway in this heat race remains 4 people. Senior once again trying to creep up onto the back of Richard Wolverton. A little bit higher line. Tries to get there to the rear bumper. He gets that about a car length and then they come out of that chicane. Able to stretch the thing out a little bit. Right there now. That time through the chicane, Senior was able to peep right up on the rear bumper as they come out of turn number 4. Ron Schlunt Sr. looking to the outside of Wolverton as they go into turns 1 and 2. Wolverton able to keep his momentum up. Senior starting to slide up the track. Raiders going to get the white flag as they come out of 4. Richard Wolverton followed by Ron Schlunt Sr. Final lap. One last shot for Ron Schlunt Sr. to get the job done. Now he's back about a car length back into the chicane. And Sr. took a little bit of a different angle that time through the chicane. Ended up having to get on the brakes, and that made him toss him in shot as they come out of 4. Sr. looking one more time to the outside. Not going to get there. Your winner, Richard Wolverton, followed by Ron Schlunt Sr. Craig Schlunt bringing it home 3rd. And then it's Zach Morrick, Charles Lair. Heat number 2 for the Tire Dog Bumblebees underway. Erica Schlunt on the outside of Grant Charnesky as they go flying on to the turn number 1. Charnesky now with the advantage. Breitzman pulls up alongside of Schlunt as they get to the chicane. Charnesky making quick work. As the field now has gone single file, but Sean Breitzman now has gotten by Erica Schlunt, pulling right up on the rear bumper of Charnesky, looking to the inside of Charnesky as they come across the line to complete lap number 1. Chris Granite took a quick peek outside of Erica Schlunt, then fell right back in line. Single file again to the chicane. And Granite started to slow up in the back of the field, looking like he wanted to make a move to the outside through the chicane, and he ends up getting a pretty good pot from Rothmeyer. He's now back underway. Breitzman gets around Charnesky in the meantime, as Breitzman now leads him to the cone and the chicane on the backstretch. Devin Rothmeyer flying all over through the chicane, off into the dirt, kicking up the mud, and back up onto the track. So Rothmeyer bit too hot. Got to the cone there. And Charneski all by himself off it. Two gets twisted up and turned around. Rothmeyer has to roll up to get down underneath Charneski. Charneski's got it fired back up and underway. Brandon looked to the outside. There goes a crossover trying to get to the inside. Chris Brandon working hard right now trying to get around Erica Schlund. Bumper now looking to the outside of Schlund as they come out of turn number 4. Brightsman, your leader, across the line. Now Brandon up to the door of Erica Schlund. Draining sheet metal through turns 1 and 2. Tire smoke for Chris Brandon as they continue to beat bang now through the chicane. Erica Schlund and Chris Brandon going at it out of turn number 4, side by side still. Now Brandon with a head of steam. Erica Schlund hanging tough once again, beating and banging. Erica Schlund up the track into the door of the 71. Erica back out in front now, taking the second spot away from Brandon. Brandon once again looking to the inside, a tap on the corner as a white flag flies out of 4 to the line. Chris Brandon gives a wave to the flagman as he comes by. And now once again, Erica Schlund right there got crossed up with some help from Brandon. Brandon backs out of it. Erica gathers it back up. Sean Brightsman, your winner. They come out of 4. Erica Schlund holds off Chris Brandon for second.